Potbelly's. We're gonna get a delicious sandwich for lunch, and then we're gonna head over to Chicago Motor Cars to check out a really special car. I cannot wait. I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to see that car. But I'm gonna order some food. Hungry. You know how that goes. All right, let's go. Okay, so what was that? Oh wow! All right, guys. So Potbelly was good. I don't know what was going on with that soda machine. I have no idea. But let's go to Chicago Motor Cars and take a look at that beautiful, beautiful car that I want to show you guys. I'm super excited because again, there's only 106 in the world. So let's go take a look. All right. Oh, look at that! My God. Look at that, how beautiful that is. My God. SVJ. Look sharp in that, man. Wow. That's all you, brother.
One day, right?
How are you, man? It's a 17A Spider over there. Back at Chicago Motor Cars. I don't want to run me over, man. This is your brother, right? So here it is, guys, the beautiful SLR carbon fiber. This thing is beautiful, man. Look at this. It's like the whole bottom of it. You see how it splits right here between the bottom and the top? This is gorgeous. Beautiful car. There's only 106 in the world built, and they built them in 2008. So that tells you the rarity of this car. All right, so the finish on this is called Osmium Grey, and it's finished in carbon fiber at the bottom. This is a beauty, seriously. You hardly ever see this type of car. Again, only 106 built, so that tells you a lot. But look at the beautiful variety of cars that Chicago Motor Cars has. They have a beautiful selection. I don't know. Look at this, a lot of sold vehicles too. Alright, so taking a look at the interior. Look at the interior. We have a ton of carbon fiber, literally everywhere, even around the vents. Look at that. The actual brake, handbrake right here. Look at that. It's pretty cool, man. The back seats, all carbon too, around the spin right here. That's nice. Yeah, this is a nice car, for sure. Give me your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think about this beautiful SLR. All right, so this is a 5.4 liter V8, and it puts out about 700 horsepower. That is wicked fast. Check out this Ferrari 812 super fast. The color combination on this thing, guys. Look at this. The wheels, Vossen wheels. The carbon fiber. Same thing, just like that SLR over there. It's got a ton of carbon fiber too. We got the inserts for the vents in the back. The rear diffuser is the same color as a car. The prancing horse is in black. The Ferrari logo in black. The stripe all the way from the back to the front. This is nice. Huge fan of the 812. And I've been in this car, not this one specifically, but this an A12 before, and it's just magical, for sure. Even the front, look at the front hood, vents, front splitter, all the inlets. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's go over here and check out this Aventador. This is one of one in this color right here. This is a really rare color. SVJ with the wing. The amount of cars they have here, it's nuts. Beautiful. You know, look at this. Look at this one over here. This is another really cool car. Oh, this is beautiful. This has like a, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the color, it's got like a sprinkle of dust on it, like a nice glossy, sprinkly color. You probably see it better over here, like the forged carbon. Nice. So many cars. You guys come in here and you will lose your mind. You don't even know what to buy in here because they have such an amazing line of cars in here for sale. So come on, guys. This is Chicago Motor Cars and buy your car here. All right.